back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing some smoked out fog lights. As you can see, these ones here are pretty shit. I think the previous one I had some HIDs or something in there, burnt up the lens. So since you're smoking out everything, I decided might as well smoke these ones out too. As you can see. Now there's going to be 3 bolts, 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom, and it's going to take out the whole fog light housing. But before you do that, you can take out the bulb, just twist it anti-clockwise, and it pops right out. And you can pop this over here. Put this aside, and then take out the 3 bolts. And the whole thing pops out. Yeah, so after you take it out, this is what it looks like. It's unscrewed. This part here is a Phillips screwdriver. There'll be so much easier with the actual screwdriver. So after you're done, just pull it out. There's a spring. Yeah, over here. And to take it out, you just have to pop it up here. And then pop it on the other side. And comes up. This side. Not gonna need this, because I have some LED bulbs, and take out this screw. Alright, so you want to peel the plastic up a bit. And take it all the way off so that it still protects the lens while you're putting it in. And then one on this side. You put it in, should line up like that. You put the spring back. I'm using the original screw that was in there. And then just screw back in. The reason I'm doing that is so that I could see exactly where the setting was for from the original fog lights. Yeah, so after you screw it in, I screwed it in to the mark where it was originally, so it should look good. I'm going to pull out the plastic. And then it's time to put it back in. Put it back in is the reverse of how you took it out. 2 bolts at the top, and 1 at the bottom. And then just do the same for the other side, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. This is it before, and this is what it will look like